In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. If they are not recent, select folders here, look for the chosen one and tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!